welcome to my YouTube channel, Tech Pathfinders with Daniel. My name is Udoki Daniel, and in this video, we are going to dive into the world of Python programming language. Python is a powerful, versatile, high-level programming language that is used in various range of applications, from web development, data analysis, data science, automation, and many more. If you are a complete beginner or an advanced programmer looking for a programming language to learn, Python is a great choice. Okay, you are just few steps writing your first program in Python. So we need to install Python interpreter and we need to install an IDE. So you need an interpreter and you need an IDE to write programs. You does not necessarily need an IDE. You can write your Python programs on the terminal or the shell of the interpreter. But we need an IDE to make a proper documentation or for an IDE that can provide us a lot of computer utilities to write our programs. So an interpreter is a program translator that does code translation of code or programs written in high-level programming language to computer understandable codes or computer understandable language. Then an IDE is short for integrated development environment. It's a computer software that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers to build softwares. So for we to install an interpreter, we need a Python interpreter to write programs in Python. We head over to the official website, python.org, and we hover over the downloads tab. As you can see here, this is Python 3.12.3, the current release. Depending on the time you're watching this video, you may visit this website and there is a new release, and that is Python always brings up release. And it is important to note here that Python 3.7 does not work on Windows operating system 7 or earlier. So if you are running on Windows operating system 7 or earlier, Python 3.9 plus may not work on that operating system. And I want to let you know that I'm using Windows operating system 11. Yeah. So depending on the operating system you are using, we have Windows, we have Mac OS. So we may have a little bit of configuration, but at the end of the day, we're going to have the same script of Python and we're going to execute and have the same result. So tag along with me, hover over the downloads and click on Python 3.12.3 and the download has started. Once the download has completed, we're going to install PyCharm IDE. You must not use PyCharm IDE. Like I said, it provides you a comprehensive facility. So there are other IDEs you can use, but I love using PyCharm IDE. But in whichever IDE you are using, we're going to have the same results. So just works with something that you are comfortable with. All right. So for way to install PyCharm, just head over to JetBrains, jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Now this is the official website. You can see the download button here. You can click on download. And you can see the Windows version of the PyCharm. So just click on download, and it's for sorry, this is paid. If you look very well here, we have PyCharm Professionals and we have PyCharm Community Edition. So depending on the operating system you're using, you can see the Mac OS, you can see the Linux. So depending on your operating system, you can download based on your operating system. So it's just a different installation processes. And at the end, we're going to have the same PyCharm installed on our operating system. So if you look very well, this is PyCharm Professional and it's paid. We'll go down, you can see the PyCharm Community Edition, and this is what we need, and this is what we're going to download. It's free, you can use it for free, but it offers less facilities as compared to the PyCharm Professional. Just click on your download, and the download has started. Yeah, just wait a little bit, it will come up, and you can see that the download has started. So just go over to your browser, type jetbrains.com/pycharm, go to depending on your operating system, select your operating system and go to the community version of it, and hit the download button. And let's go over to the installation processes. All right. Now that you have PyCharm and Python downloaded, the next thing for you to do is to follow the installation processes and have them installed. Click on your PyCharm IDE, sorry, your PyCharm the downloaded file, and allow it to come up. It's just a little bit of following the system instructions. So what I love to do is I love the .py extension. So the PyCharm will create .py extension automatically for me. Then add this open project as a project. I would definitely add this as a folder on my system, and 64-bit launcher for the desktop as well, so we can see everything on my desktop. It depends on what you want. So you need to follow the installation processes. I will not check this now so that it will not restart my system after the installation. Just click on next. You can just take a read of what the files that will be installed along with it, or the existing file in the menu folder. Click on next and allow it to complete. Still also follow the installation process the same way on Python. Click on install and follow the installation processes. I will see you after you must have installed the files. All right, I want to say congratulations for making it up to this point of having PyCharm and Python interpreter installed on your operating system, on your PC. So if you encounter any problem during the installation processes, or maybe something you may not work your way around solving, you can let me know down in the comment section. I will be glad to help. I will be glad to help you. So once you've set up PyCharm on your operating system and you open PyCharm, opening your entering your directory name and your folder project name. So the next thing you will see is this main.py file created automatically by PyCharm. So this is what you need to do. We need to start with the very basic. So let's just get rid of everything here. And now let's write a Python program that prints the word hello world. You can look at my project folder name is YouTube video Python project hello world. So it's tradition to print out hello world the same way it's traditional to use X and Y and mathematics is also traditional in programming language to use hello world. So let's write our first program in Python that will print the word hello world on our console. So the first thing to do is just print hello world, and let's run this program. Just save and run. Now for you to run this program, you can hit Control Shift F10, or you can, excuse me, you can click Control Shift F10, or you can click this play button here. Just click the play button and see your first hello world in Python. Congratulations if you make it up to this level. And this is just a basic Python program that prints the word hello world. And from here, you can see how easier it is to write program in Python. In some other languages like C, C sharp, C++, you need to include some preprocessive directives on your program to have this executed. But just one line of code in Python, you now printed the word hello world. All right, guys, while you've written your first program in Python programming language, it is important to understand what is happening under the hood here. Print is a function in Python programming language. A function by definition, or a function in programming language, is a block of code that carries out instruction or recipe of instructions, and it must be called before executing such instruction. So a print is, excuse me, a print is a built-in function in Python programming language that outputs anything or any value that it is called upon with. For instance, we have hello world here. You can as well write your name here instead of hello world. I write my name Daniel Udokike, and when I run that, it gives me it outputs Daniel Udokike. You can as well just go ahead and experiment with that. You can write your name anything enclose it in opening and closing quotation mark. You can as well write one, a number, a string. As you journey along with me in this channel, we're going to talk about variable types in Python programming language, and we are also going to talk about hello world, and we're also going to talk about more on what you can achieve using Python programming language. This is just an introductory video, and this is just the explanation of what is happening under the hood here. All right. In the future video, we will be diving into more deeper into Python programming language. We cover topics like variables in Python, functions in Python, and object-oriented programming approach (OOP) using Python programming language. And I will as well show you ways to use Python to cover tasks like data analysis, data science, automation, and many more using Python programming language, including web scraping. So I want to say a very big thank you for staying along with me. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment what you like about this video in the comment section below, or maybe what you would love me to improve on. Leave it in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel so you get notified whenever I release future videos, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys.